Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to assemble the FIMA Robotics Pocket 3D. Take the main unit of the device. Then pick up the power module. Align it with the buckle on the main unit for assembly. While assembling, make sure you hear a clear click sound. This means the unit is fully secured. At this stage, the battery cannot separate from the device. Next, take the marking base and install it. First, align it with the fixing unit and fit it into position. Then line up the screw and tighten the bottom screw. After tightening the screw, flip down the locking ring. Now, the device assembly is complete. The device supports an internal TF card, which needs to be installed properly. After copying data, remember to reinsert it into the device. If you need to remove it, press the card to eject it. When installing the TF card, please follow the marking on the slot. The pattern side should face outward. Simply slide the card straight in. If you need more storage capacity later, you can upgrade to a 256 GB card. Alright, that covers the device assembly tutorial. Hello everyone! In this video, I will demonstrate how to mount a camera onto the FIMA Robotics Pocket 3D. The Pocket 3D currently supports mainstream panoramic cameras. Two compatible models are available, the DJI Osmo 360 and Insta360 cameras. Supported Insta360 models include the X4, X4 Air, and X5. Now, let's walk through the camera mounting procedure. First, prepare a crosshead screwdriver and the matching wrench. Use the crosshead wrench to remove the quick release plate. Unscrew the bolt. You can place the bolt on the magnetic ring to avoid losing it. Set the bolt on the magnetic ring after removal, then take off the quick release plate. Retrieve the camera mounting screw from the compartment inside the carrying case. Once you have the screw, fit the washer onto the screw, attach the screw to the quick release plate, then mount the camera and fasten the screw. During installation, hold the camera, align both sides, and keep the buckle parallel. Tighten the screw by hand first, then secure it further with the wrench. Hold the camera during installation. Align the buckles on both sides and position them parallel to each other, then tighten the screw. After tightening it by hand, secure it further with the wrench. After tightening, fit the assembly into position. Be sure to push it forward, because there is a buckle washer inside, which must lock into the front position. Otherwise, the camera will not be mounted firmly. Push forward fully and confirm the camera is properly seated. Then take the screwdriver to reinstall and tighten the bolt.
Make sure the bolt is fully tightened. You can gently shake the camera to verify it is securely fixed. That completes the installation procedure for the DJI camera. Next, I will show you how to install the Insta360 camera. Similarly, remove the quick release plate, take the mounting screw, and connect the quick release plate to the Insta360 camera. Keep the device level, tighten the screw by hand, then fasten it with the wrench. Once confirmed tight, insert the quick release plate assembly and push forward. Verify the washer is locked firmly against the front stop. Then use the screwdriver to fit and tighten the bolt. The camera installation is now finished. Alright, that's the mounting tutorial for both camera models.